If you've never used stories in Tableau, get ready to have your mind blown. Here we are in Tableau Desktop, and I have a pretty standard set of dashboards here. I've got this dashboard and so on and so forth. So this is just a standard day in the life of an analyst. Now, if you imagine yourself in a meeting room and you have a dashboard like this and you're going back and forth with stakeholders and they're saying, well, in this section or this region, for this time period, for this ratio, right, what is the results? What are the values? In order to track all that, it becomes quite difficult. So how do we actually generate a set of reports that tells that full story? Let me show you. So here on the bottom, you're going to see this button right here. Story. Now, very few people really use this. It's because they really don't know how to use it. So if I open that, you're going to see this, and it kind of looks like the dashboard design view, but it is different. Here on the bottom left, there is size, and I'm just going to tweak this to follow the size of my page. And forgive me, I'm going to have to do this just so I can actually see the dialog box. Okay, there we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a dashboard into this. I'm going to bring in overview and just drop it right in. Okay, there you go. And what happens is you have this dashboard available and we're in front of the stakeholder and they said, well, we're only interested in Eastern region. So you go, no worries, East for the filter, and that's going to filter it. Nothing crazy yet. But if you go up here, you're going to see this button. And if I click on that, watch what happens. Nothing. It looks like nothing happened, but this is actually what it's done. It's created a second story point different from the first. So if I click on that first one, see how the original one has no filter, but if I look on the next one, it now has it. If we filter again, let's say I'm now interested in this time period. Okay, the data is going to change. I'm going to click that button again, and it's going to create another view for me. I'm going to change the profit ratio. I'm going to click that button again. And what it's doing is it's taking snapshots of my interaction of the dashboard itself. So then at the end of it, we can say, well, we're only interested in Eastern region as that's been our concern lately. Okay. In the next one, say you found some interesting insight. Let's say Eastern region is struggling in the south portion, shown by the orange on the map. Then the next point, you go in here, focusing only towards the latter part of the year, we notice a decline in sales. Okay, and then the very last one is adjusting just for profit ratios above 11.5, we can see no drops in sales. All right. Now we can adjust this with, I'm trying to remember how to adjust. Yes, it's the last one. Okay. And now we've created a storyboard. Okay. We can go from the first one to the last one. And you can build as many of these as you like off the same dashboard. When we deploy this to Tableau Cloud, we can have heaps of different stories for heaps of different people off a single dashboard. That is absolutely insane. Imagine the self-service capabilities. If you know how to do this, you are on another level of Tableau. By the way, I teach all of this on my website. Be sure to check that out. It is in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.